In this video, we will set the Toshiba AS3 VFD to use an analog signal for its speed reference. The drive is currently set for 3-wire control and the capacitive touch wheel is used to set the speed. From standard mode, press the escape button. Scroll to basic parameters and press OK. Scroll to FMOD, frequency command select 1, and press OK. Let's look at our options for an analog speed reference. Select option 1, terminal RR, which is the terminal used for potentiometer input or a 0 to 10 volts DC input. For a 0 to 10 volt input, terminals CC and RR are used for wiring. For a potentiometer input, terminals CC, RR, and PP are used for wiring. Select option 2, terminal RX, which is the terminal used for a -10 to 10 volt DC input. Use terminals CC and RX for wiring. Select option 3, terminal II, which is the terminal used for a 0 to 20 or 4 to 20 milliamp input. Use terminals CC and II for wiring. Select options 4 or 5 if you are using an add-on I/O module for the VFD. For our example, we are going to use a 0 to 10 volt signal. Select option 1, terminal RR, and press OK. Press the escape button twice to return to the standard mode. Now press the escape button to go to setting mode and select option 2, direct access. We are going to look at parameters 201, 202, 203, and 204. These are used to scale the frequency with the 0 to 10 volt signal. Use the scroll wheel and the F2 and F3 keys to select parameter 201. Then press OK. Parameter 201 is the minimum percentage of our 0 to 10 volt signal that we will use for our reference. We will stay at 0, but you can change it for your needs. Use the scroll wheel and the F2 and F3 keys to select parameter 202. Then press OK. Parameter 202 is the minimum frequency used with the minimum value from parameter 201. For our example, at 0 volts DC, we want a frequency of 0 Hz. Use the scroll wheel and the F2 and F3 keys to select parameter 203. Then press OK. Parameter 203 is the maximum percentage of our input signal, 10 volts, that we will use for our reference signal. Use the scroll wheel and the F2 and F3 keys to select parameter 204. Then press OK. Parameter 204 is the maximum frequency used with the maximum value from parameter 203. At 10 volts DC, we want a frequency of 60 Hz. Press the escape button repeatedly until you return to the standard mode. Here, I'll give our Toshiba AS3 drive a run signal and a speed reference. Notice the drive responds to the speed reference.